Hello guys, welcome back to PhD Prep Lab channel. And I would say if you are planning a PhD, you need to know this. Just imagine you are in a lab and you detect a protein that no one ever reported and you have no idea what it does. In that case, what's your move? A question like this will definitely be asked in interview scenario or you would face during your research work. If you can get this right, you are thinking like a researcher. So before you imagine anything, let me tell you, scientists who faces this exact question ended up winning Nobel Prizes. So stick with me till the end of the video and I will show you how their approach changed biology forever. Let's start from cell. Imagine you found a novel protein inside a cell and asking yourself what next to do. Obviously, first you would sequence the protein and you will get the amino acid sequence and then you have the sequence ready. Before doing any large scale wet lab work, let's start with bioinformatics. So, to begin with, step 1 bioinformatics. In bioinformatics, you can use BLASTkey to set similar sequences and check domains using InterPro and identify any conserved motifs there are. It's like seeing a mystery tool in your house. First, compare it to known tools to guess its purpose. Meanwhile, I would like to tell you that CSIR has released vacancy regarding research intern position with a stipend of 24,000 rupees. It's a very good opportunity. And to know more about it, please click on the I button that is visible above the video. Step 2 would be to know whether is it in the cell. For this, you can perform subcellular localization via microscopy or prediction tools so that you get to predict or know is it cytoplasmic, nuclear, membrane bound or secreted or the other way. For example, if it is in the mitochondria, maybe its role is in energy metabolism. Step 3 is to find who does it work with. To find about it, you can perform protein-protein interaction studies like CoIP, pull-down assay, histohybrid system. If you are lucky enough to find interaction partner that can hint at its function, you are pretty much close to find it, as there is a say that you can tell a lot about someone by the company they keep. Next step would be to know what happens if you remove it. That is gene knockout experiments and then by observing phenotypic changes like growth, morphology, topology. Meanwhile, we can also try to find out what if you overexpress it. So you can see if too much protein disrupts normal function, overexpression phenotypes can be as telling as the relations and then you can integrate the clues. Finally, triangulating the things, that is sequence plus localization and loss of function, and you can make a confident hypothesis. So in this way you can do this. And coming back to the real stories, this approach wasn't just theory. Roger Kornberg, Paul Nurse, Stanley all used it to figure out the mysterious proteins. Works These works that earned them Nobel Prize. So the next time you come across a new protein, don't panic. Think like a researcher. Follow the playbook and you might just be on the path to your own big discovery. So that's it for today.